All right, for the benchmark review, we're going to do this first problem, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. So there's two ways that we can go about this. We can go ahead and solve it as it is, or we can get rid of the decimal by multiplying everything by 10. So to multiply by 10, I'm going to put both sides of the equation in parentheses, and I'm going to distribute 10, which ends up getting rid of the decimal. So what that does for me is it gives me 72 plus 48r equals 36r minus 12. Next, I'm going to solve for r, or basically I'm going to get r on one side of the equation and the constant on the other side of the equation. So what I'm going to do is subtract 36r from both sides. On one side it gets rid of the r altogether, it makes it 0. On the other side it gives me 12r, and then with my constants it gives me 12r equals negative 84. Now I'm going to set up a division problem, because what I want is to get r by itself. So I have 12r at the moment, so I'm going to say negative 84 divided by 12. And so I divide both sides by 12. What I'll end up getting is 1r equals negative 84 divided by 12. Now if I go ahead and do the math, negative 84 divided by 12 ends up being negative 7, because 12, a positive number, times a negative number, ends up being negative 84. Now I did solve for r, but what I'm going to have to do next is put it into the original equation to see, basically to check my work. Now when I do check my work, I can put it into the original equation, or I can put it into the equation where I multiplied everything by 10. Regardless, what I'm going to end up getting is negative 26.4 equal to negative 26.4. So this checks out. We did our work correctly. R equals negative 7.